Your monitoring system holds a treasure trove of information that can drive your business operations. But remember, this data is valuable to others as well. The modern internet has shown us that data is a prized asset. Companies like Amazon, Google, and OpenAI thrive on data. Even if your data is anonymous, do you want your information sold to competitors? Consider if your data becomes part of a statistic for manufacturers in your zip code. Is that anonymous enough? Should anyone be able to buy information about your production trends, machine hours, parts produced, or quality data without your knowledge or benefit? When you leave a subscription provider, your data often stays with them. You never fully owned it, and subscription terms can change any time. You need assurances that you are in control. FactoryWiz was designed by experts with decades of experience in IT and machine tools, not venture capitalists. We understand the need to protect your business. Our system was built with the mindset of a CIO. On-premise data with total customer control? Done. No vendor backdoors to access your production data? Done. Keep your data even if machinery is taken off the system? Absolutely. You don't need a physical box on site. FactoryWiz can operate in a virtual machine environment in your data center or a private cloud with Microsoft Azure or Amazon EC2. No matter where your data resides, it lives by your rules. Learn to ask the right questions about your production data in the cloud, and you'll see why FactoryWiz is the answer.